a period pottery or ironstone to be correct vase from Royal Winton. Nice thing, square in its sort of appearance really, but not a flat square, really quite moulded and detailed this one. Convolvulus, we think, the pattern decoration on 4 of the panels, and then in between it's got this lovely sort of art deco ribbing going up to, you can still see that around the edges on the actual top. Nice period, Royal Winton Pottery Ironstone, Staffordshire. Not particularly old this, I think it's 1970s, 80s or 90s. Can't be absolutely precise, they used the same pottery mark for a long period of time, but in very fine condition, a very pretty thing. Pale sort of pastely pinks and greens used on it, and a sort of off-white creamy background glaze on the ironstone. Nice thing, very stylized, very period art deco, but not that old. In fine condition, no condition warnings on this very pretty little vase. All the measurements are on the website, including the diameters and height, which is just over 5.5 inches. So do follow the link description below, and it will take you directly through to the Vintage and Antiques website listing for this little piece of Royal Winton Ironstone. Thanks for watching.